welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe down below. My name is Adiola and I upload videos about Africa, travel and lifestyle. So if you're interested in videos on those topics, please do subscribe down below and join our community. So today is a very interesting day, early morning starts. We are off to Edinburgh, Scotland. I'm super excited because you would have seen that I have traveled pretty much the world and I've been to far and wide places, but I've never really traveled around countries close to England in the UK, which is really crazy. I've been to Wales and I have been to Scotland accidentally, which is another story for another day, but I haven't fully explored Scotland. So I'm very excited to do that and very excited to take you along with me. As I said, it's an early morning start, so we are up at the crack of dawn to catch the first flight there, and it's a very short trip because that was the only way I could really squeeze it in. But I'm super excited because I haven't traveled in a long time, and yes, so let's go, let's keep this buzz going and I'll show you what Edinburgh looks like.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.
Okay, so I've just made it downtown into the city centre and I am already loving the city. There's so much history, so much beautiful architecture. You can see the Union Jack just over there as well. So we're heading into St Andrew's Square, which is a monument. I'm not too sure what is the monument of. Hopefully I'll find out some more information on my walking tour tomorrow. But yeah, I'm off to my hostel trying to get breakfast now and I'll check in with you later. Something I absolutely love about Edinburgh so far is kind of like all the shops and all the things in the city centre are built into the olden architecture. So it's really cool seeing modern shops inside the kind of old architecture, and you get a feel of the cultural preservation, which is really nice.
Talking to me.
So I've just made it to a burger joint and I'm the only one here because most people don't get a burger in the morning. But I did go to the Trok Market and unfortunately it was closed. So we're gonna get some food, breakfast / lunch, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, so we just made it to Edinburgh Castle. It's up ahead. I've made it for the 1 o'clock gun show, so it should be really interesting. They said once you enter the castle, it's like round the corner. It was about £20 to enter. Don't know if it's worth it, but we'll see. Okay, so we've just seen the gun show and it was a little bit underwhelming because it was just one gunshot. But we will keep exploring the castle. There's so much to see. So yeah, I'll show you.
You can't even sit peace. Cause all of these niggas beat on you. I'm just saying I can be. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you want to waste your time.
This is now the High Court Square up there. Because they wanted to warn off any idiots that might come near the Parliament and make stupid decisions. Because in mythology, if you come across a sphinx, it will test your knowledge, it will give you a riddle. If you get the riddle right, it lets you pass, it thinks you're clever enough. If you get the riddle wrong, it will kill and eat you. So that's why they put them up there, because they didn't want any stupid people making big decisions for the country. This man is called David Hume. Now, David Hume was around in our Enlightenment period. It is amazing. It's free to get in, and you can find out about all of the writers who came here to Scotland, who were born in Scotland, who were inspired by Scotland and Edinburgh as well. The castle, it's just a bit of a different view that you maybe wouldn't know how to see. And obviously it shows you the volcanic rocks that are looking absolutely beautiful today.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me a therapist to tell me there's a limit. I one man, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I love you like this. Not the best idea. Is
Okay, hello, good morning guys. So you would have seen what I got up to yesterday. Did a lot of walking, a lot of exploring Edinburgh, and today is another day to do that. So this morning I've already been to the cathedral at St Giles Cathedral. Absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. Now I'm currently at a place called Mum's Comfort Food. I'm gonna get some food because I'm starving, some luscious breakfast, and then after we'll be heading to the National Museum of Scotland. So a lot to do today. We've got some more stops after that as well, and I just want to get into it, so let's go. Something quite great about this museum is it's absolutely free, though I do think a guide would be really, really good. You can just walk around and see the different exhibits, which is really, really cool.
Single giant world continent. Near the equator it was hot and arid with periodic rains. Huge rivers flowed up the Caledonian Mountains and fed giant lakes inhabited by early fishes. volcanoes were erupting. Early dinosaurs could walk in Scotland, Greenland, and North America. But the Earth's crust under the giant continent was splitting, stretching, and pulling apart. Cracks appeared, and the land around Scotland sank to form oceans.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving.
We're now at the rooftop terrace. I'll show you what this looks like. I can already tell that I'm going to have some nice views. Ooh, yeah, I'm right. I'll show you what I see because this is absolutely stunning. Okay, so we have just got done. Behind me, as you can see, is Ros Fountain. It's in Prince Street Garden. This has been absolutely beautiful and such a great way to end the trip. I was going to go to some other stops like the National Monument, which is all the way up a hill, but the weather is not the best today and I'm really not feeling, I'm not feeling like going on a hike in really cold weather. So if you've liked my vlog, please do like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.